This right here is a single slider tilt. As you can see, it does operate in a way that it slides back and forth. This model here comes with 2 cam locks. They are metal, so you can lock them and unlock them as you wish. The number of locking points depends on the size of the window. So if it's a smaller one, it would require only 1 locking point. For this size here, we have 2 locking points. The other thing that you can add is a stopper here for your kids, or making sure that the window is open and no one can keep pushing it from the outside. So we do have a stopper that you can add to your windows. The other thing is for you to clean the windows, this option here wouldn't require you to remove the sash. It's actually a lot easier. So you can open the window onto the inside for easier cleaning. And then you can also reach the other side from the inside by taking off the screen. Since the window is open, you'll be able to see that it does have a wood strip that goes all around the sash, making it very, very energy efficient, and no air can leak in through the sash's profile. Right here on the non-operable sash, you have your interlock. This is for additional efficiency and making sure no air can leak in. So this part of the sash can actually integrate in with the non-operable sash. Closing back the window is very smooth, so you can actually slide it back and forth only with one hand, sometimes even with one finger, depends on the size. And then locking it would go this way. And then the tracks down here, they're also made out of the same material as the window, so it's all vinyl, so it gives you very good fraction, so it's easy for you to operate it. Our slider does come with a glazing stopper that is located on the inside. So for security, the glass can only be removed from the inside, not from the outside. Another thing is the removal of the screens. So screens are easy to remove. They are integrated with the springs that are on the side. So you just have to put your fingers inside these 2 holes and it's easy for you to remove the screen. After the removal of the screen, it's easy for you to clean it. As you can see here, the frame of the screen is metal, it's heavy duty. The mesh could be used, either fiberglass mesh or any other meshes that we carry. Putting back the screen is as easy as removing it. So you just make sure that you locate the mesh or the screen frame inside the frame where it's supposed to go. And then there you go. That's how your screen would go back on. And closing the window, you lock both points, top and bottom, and it's very, very steady. It doesn't actually move when the window is locked, which gives you very airtight profile and very good performance over the winter times.